Look at the size of that pork rib. Does that look good?
Spectacular.
Wait
I
till you
love
see
it.
it. Does that fall off? Did that just fall off in front of your eyes right there?
Oh my God.
Here, we got to put it on a plate because, you know.
No, you don't.
Oh, no, wait. It's hot.
I have chef fingers. What are you talking about?
You got chef fingers. Bang. Bang, right?
Come on, man. So this is Cafe 247.
Yep. We've been here 25 years in the same location. We go back so far that we're about the only thing that was here at that time.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
We are in the middle of the nowhere.
It's halfway in between Palm Springs and Las Vegas.
Yep, yeah.
All right, so we got ribs, you got pulled pork. What's in here?
Oh, we got us some tri-tip here. We have everything you can possibly think of. This is cafe, but it's Americana.
Booyah!
Wow.
Yeah.
Come on.
I mean, look, you got to know when to stop at the knuckle right there, right? You got to know the knuckle is not part of the deal.
One knuckle deep, that's it.
Yeah.
This is like an oasis out in the middle of the desert, because that's some of the best barbecue I've had in a really, really long time. And when you go the extra mile, you get good stuff.
Yep.
Come on, man. So here's the deal. We're lucky enough to be in the kitchen of Lotus's Siam. This is Chef Sapen. This is my first beeline stop when I come to Las Vegas to come check this stuff out.
The first dish that we're gonna make is called tuna khoai soi, Thai-style tuna tartare.
That tuna looks fantastic too, by the way. It's beautiful.
It's a super fresh sashimi grade tuna. We have two different types of coriander that we use, kaffir lime leaf as well as mint. And then you wanna be able to put in fresh lime juice.
I always think lime juice is almost like one of the definitions of really great Thai cuisine, right? That freshness, that acidity, that brightness, like the pantry of Thai cuisine. You got the galanga, you got the mint, the kaffir lime is there in your face. And this is it?
Yes.
Like, I'm in Lotus's Siam in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm eating in the kitchen. Come on, man. Almost brings me to my knees. That is so good.
My mom asked, is it good?
Delicious. I've been eating her food for 15 years, and it's always just like mind-blowingly great. And that rice powder, that's super interesting because it almost adds like a granular texture to the outside of it. You got something to kind of get your teeth into. Wow. So this is my appetizer.
Yes. So the second dish we're gonna be making is called tam khanun. Tam in Thai means to pound. Khanun is jackfruit. We're gonna pound the jackfruit.
We got pork, we got jackfruit, fried garlic, fish sauce. Am I getting this right? I got this right?
Yes.
And galanga, chilies, onion, garlic, cilantro, green onions.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to ground up all the herbs that are going to be going for.
Okay. It's so fragrant.
Then you want to add the jackfruit.
Sure.
You have fish sauce, which makes it salty, and then the cherry tomato, which makes it sour.
Like it's big, it's bold, delicious, exactly what you want.
Once she's done, she's actually going to be putting it into the pan.
Nice, hot, hard, quick sear, wake all those flavors up. No joke, I'm not kidding, it's the best Thai food in America. I've never seen this before. I have no idea what the...
In Thai, we call it wan tap. It's an herb. It has good amino acids.
So that's the base. Ah, okay, cool. And you eat it just like a nice little bundle like that, right?
Yes.
I'm so excited. Spectacular. Come on, come on. Thank you. I could stay in this kitchen, I'm not kidding, all day long and watch you guys cook. Absolutely fascinating. Unfortunately for this trip, it's not all fun and games, so I gotta go to work. So we're shooting the great food truck race, but God, this is amazing. Man, I love it. Welcome to Las Vegas. We're right here on the Strip at the Venetian Hotel, one of my favorite hotels here in the city. And we're about to do this challenge where the food trucks are gonna be cooking and serving food in the presidential suite. And a little bit later, we're gonna go to Mott 32, this amazing Chinese restaurant that just opened here at the hotel. I hear the food is spectacular. How was the drive-in? It was good? It was not good. Oh, I heard about that. You guys had a little breakdown? 9 hours. Oh man! Are you guys ready to get going? Yeah! Thank you very much. That's the Vegas spirit I'm looking for. I love Peking style duck. It's one of my favorite dishes on planet Earth. So we've got some duck in here right now, and to me, it's a really, really beautiful oven you got here. Is this one ready to go?
Yeah, it's ready.
I mean, that smells like rich, like almost like Thanksgiving. It smells just absolutely delicious. The duck is just perfectly roasted, and the skin is perfectly crisp. And to get both those at the same time, like that is technique through the roof.
First, we need to cut the breast skin.
That right there is a delicacy within itself, just like that top layer of breast skin, almost like little potato chips.
When we clean the duck, we're coating with vinegar and honey. Let them dry at least 48 hours to 72 hours.
Love that.
Make the skin really thick.
But it's so worth it. It's so worth it. And how many ducks a night do you guys serve here?
We serve like a 26 duck a day.
That's a lot of ducks.
Yeah.
This is like what they call like chef snacks.
You need to dip with sugar.
Brown sugar. I've never dipped duck skin in sugar. It's amazing because it's got all like the seasoning anyway, like everything. It's perfectly like seasoned and salty, but with the sugar on top of it, it just kind of opens up. This is special. Tell me about the dumplings you guys have on the menu here.
American people like a hot and sour soup.
Yeah.
We make an idea and say, oh, why we don't put a hot and sour in the soup dumpling? We use carrots mixed with the dough.
So you kind of roll it out into a snake and then you cut it and you smash it, right? A small little splash of vinegar. That's that lovely acid that kind of makes it taste nice and fresh, right? And then you have to wait till they cool down a little bit. You can burn the roof of your mouth in 2 seconds flat. That's such an experience. Because you bite into something and then you literally get it's spicy too, but you get like this like burst of soup. A lot of work and a lot of love that goes into one bite. Like that's the art of great cooking. This is Mott 32 in Las Vegas, the Venetian Hotel. Everything you want and way more. And when you go in the extra mile, that's the only thing that counts. Guys, thank you so much for watching Food Network's YouTube page. Make sure you smash that like button and turn on the bell for more notifications for fantastic shows like The Extra Mile, and we'll see you guys next time on the road. Thanks so much.
Thank you.